It's a beautiful morning, and Lily is off to visit her parents. Like many cars today, hers is smart and sophisticated, which comes with some risks. Which is why Lily included security monitoring of her car right from the start. But what Lily doesn't see is that everything about her car is constantly being monitored for anomalies at Capgemini's Security Operations Center. It's busy collecting and checking events from cars in the fleet in real time. Lily is looking forward to listening to the latest album from her favorite band, which a friend gave her on a USB stick, unaware that it has malware on it. Unnoticed by Lily, it starts infecting the infotainment system. A Guardian process in Lily's car detects an anomaly and sends an anonymized event to the Security Operations Center. The center raises an alert, and the team start investigating it immediately. Using leading malware detection tools, they quickly identify signatures of malicious code. The Security Operations Center has previously analyzed similar malware, so luckily, an existing software update package can heal Lily's car. They notify the original equipment manufacturers, so their Security Operations Department can push the update to her car. They also transmit the collected analysis to the Research and Development Department, so they can harden the software. Still unaware of the issues, Lily arrives at her parents' house, and her car automatically installs the updated software package. Back at the Security Operations Center, the malware detection rules are updated on the database, and the update is pushed to the fleet, ensuring better detection next time, optimizing performance day by day, and protecting the entire fleet. Whether it's your connected vehicle, manufacturing plant, or enterprise IT, Capgemini's Automotive Cybersecurity offering is on hand to maximize reliability and security 24/7.